Hello everyone, today I am back with one of my creations and I'm really excited to complete my creation of Lord Krishna on the day of Janmashtami. Janmashtami denotes the birth of Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna is worshipped as Sri Bake Bihari Ji in Vrindavan. So let me give you a closer look at it. So first I would like to show you the original picture of Sri Bake Bihari Ji which has inspired me to create this model. So majorly I have used 4 shades of colors and black and white to give it a synchronized look. So now getting into the details, starting up from the top where his crown is there. So I've tried to make a gradient look for the crown from the lightest color to darkest, and then I have his peacock feather which always adorns his crown. Then I have his brick-built face, and then this is an extension to his crown. Then I have his garland which can be taken off and has some ball joints up here and can be just fit in place. And then I have more of his clothes here with these A pieces to give it like a more decorative look. And I've used a lot of these one by one lights and plates. And then this is his stole which he has worn around his neck, and I've used this orange piece which gives it a nice outline. Then this hand, I've used 2 of these modified one by one pieces to attach some accessories as per need. And then I have the other hand which is to hold the flute, and then the flute can be taken out, and this is just a normal build of with 2 big brown pieces and some metallic 2 metallic one by one pieces, then flowers, and then these red ones, and can be just fit in place. Then I have his cushion which can be taken out also. Then I have his earthen pot, and then I have a trishul too, which is an integration of mine and not in the original one. So that's all. So hope you like my attempt of creating Lord Krishna through my Lego blocks. On account of Janmashtami, may Lord Krishna shower his blessings on you all. Happy Janmashtami.